And we've got this huge crane here lifting up these S2A modular boxes. This is a pretty impressive construction. We'll take a look at this one that'll be set soon. They got some nice peel and stick material here. I'm not going to say it's passive house, but it's better than the other building paper they stick on. But look at the rim joists. They're LVLs. It's got a band underneath with insulation already in it. Look at the trusses. Web trusses for the floor joists. We just got done setting that panel. Pretty successful. They got that corner right on the spot. So look how they.
Hey,
so we're gonna share.
The AC works. Go on the lower. You sure? Yeah. Look red. That's what I'm saying. Go on the lower.
They got a bunch of custom weather stripping that they'll stick on next to this edge. That way when they stick the modular panels next to each other, they will be sealed and gasketed. Plywood's off on partial, so they, well, supposedly all the plywood is supposed to come off to match these boxes up to each other. However, I think the foundation's off. He said it was a little bit big, so they're leaving the plywood on in some spots. They'll cut out the rest where needed. But it's going to be a two-story. So like this one here that's next to me, it's already got the deck built on it. Let's take a look underneath. Still got the LVLs here. This one's got some pressure treated. There's some insulation band under there. So pretty custom stuff. You got ply gem on the windows. This ain't bad, but everything's already done on the inside. Look at that. Yeah. Cabinetry. Drywall's up, electrical, you got your ductless ceiling mount, mini split up there, unless that's an exhaust fan of some kind. I have no idea. I'll figure it out. But it looks pretty good. I'm impressed. I mean, I think these factory framing is way better than on-site framing. More quality control. It's CNC precision that builds these machines with very little human interaction. We'll wait until the next panel gets set. Let's take a look at all the straps over here. So you can see where they did their anchor bolts. They had a notch for all their anchor bolts so they can cover them up. They've got several layers, 2 pressure treated, regular lumber to cover these heavy duty HD straps, concrete foundation with concrete floor, which is nice. Which would be even better if it was, hopefully there's a vapor barrier underneath it. We got I think these might be grounding rods. See the shadow there and the shadow over there. You got a set of stairs inside of there. These guys are getting down and fixing this panel, getting ready for the next layer. Okay, I'm over here on the other side now, so you can see the ductless mini split, wall mount. It's got the ceiling fan, can lights. That must be the sinks and everything over here in that crate. Another mini split here. Why so many? I have no clue. Must not be as airtight as they think. Could be pressure tested once it's assembled to see the air leakage rate. But you can see all the drywall's up. Looks like they've got 5/8 stick drywall, 2x4 stud framing, attic access. S2A Modular, the future of housing. So why'd you set the center one first and not this one first?
Because in case there's any discrepancies on the footings, you center it and we can deal with if we had to fur out a stem wall or anything like that. Now, luckily, everything's perfect because my team did a perfect job. But just in case, we start with the middle.
Okay.
Right now, I walked around the damn thing so far, it's tits.
And the other side is right now, if we had both the side sets that we did that, then try to slide that one down the middle.
Yeah, I was just thinking maybe this one and then
Joe,
the first
get
one.
the side of it.
That way the crane didn't have to come over, but I guess
Yeah.
it doesn't matter. He's got to pick it up
Yeah.
so high anyways.
Yeah. The main thing is just that way, if there's any discrepancies, we can work them out later because the crane's the most expensive part of today.
Oh, yeah.
So I just want to get this stuff set, and then like if I had to build out a stem wall or cut down a stem wall, I could deal with that later. So we put the center one first, so that we are not having to move these things around again.
Oh shit, we're hanging off 3 inches.
I mean, let's go.
Interesting. They're setting one of these modulars an hour. They got 3 of them set up.
Thank you, Armando. Appreciate you.
This is really good work.